All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look here at problem number 3. We have a radical equation and we'd like to solve it. Now, when we're solving radical equations, we have to get the radical by itself. So you might hear the phrase isolate the radical. Okay. So on the right-hand side right now, I have a binomial. I need to add 9 to both sides of this equation before I square both sides. I have to get the radical by itself. So if I add 9 to the right-hand side, that'll cancel with that negative 9, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So to get rid of this radical, I'm going to square both sides of this equation. I'm squaring it to get rid of the radical. I'm doing to both sides so I can balance the equation. So 2 squared is 4. And when you square the radical goes away. So I'm trying to solve this for b. Right now, if you divide b by 5, you'll get 4. So, well, let's do it like we did with the rational equations in the previous. Let's write 4 as 4 over 1. And one of the things that students appear to like is to cross multiply. Oops, that is a highlighter. That looks kind of dark to me for a highlighter. Maybe if I turn that down. Yeah. And I don't know, let's make the other, I'll make the other red. Now, because of the chisel mark, here, I don't like that. When you do it the other direction, it's a thin mark. All right, so let's multiply along this green diagonal. When I do that, 4 times 5 is 20. When I multiply along the other diagonal, 1 times b is just b. So I have a possible solution here of 20. We've got to check it, though. On the left-hand side, I get negative 7. That's given to me. On the right-hand side, I have negative 9 plus the square root of this fraction. We have just figured out that b is 20. So we've got 20 divided by 5 underneath that radical. Well, we're trying to determine if negative 9 plus this radical equals negative 7. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And we know that the square root of 4 is 2. And so it's true that, that this b equals 20 is in our solution set. That satisfies this original equation. All right, well, I will talk to you later. Bye.